Check 1 2. Check 1 2. Check. Now everybody from the 313. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. We are back from Houston. This is my first full week back from Houston, first full week of trading. So I want to break down GBP, JPY, and kind of see where we're gonna go for the week. I think there's a lot of technicals to be thought of, to be looked at carefully, and build our confluences towards our bias, right? I think there's a bunch of influences on each time frame that we have to pay attention to, and overall, I think GJ is going to make a big push. Up or down, I don't know. Stay tuned. Like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you turn the post notifications on so you guys can catch these moves with me in London, guys. I want you guys to catch these moves with me in London. And if that's not enough for you, I did announce on my Instagram I'm opening up 5 spots to the academy, breakdown, signals, forex course full, and one-on-one communication with me in a group Discord with everybody, and a lot more. So reach out to me. The details going to be in the description. I prefer Instagram more than anything, but yeah, whatever. Remember, like, comment, subscribe. Thank you, guys. GBP JPY to the moon. Now, GBP JPY starts on the weekly time frame, right? You guys know how we break down the market, and it's top down, right? Top down analysis, and we're looking at, candles, we're looking at wick, we're looking at everything, right? And what the weekly is telling me is that the past 2 weeks we've closed very harshly, right? Wicking to the downside, some type of area we wick to the downside, and 1 week we closed weekly bearish, and the next week we wick to the downside and closed high momentum bullish. So that kind of tells me that no matter what happens to start the week, this weekly candle potentially has potential to create that move to the upside, right? After gaining all those bears in the market with these last 2 weekly candles, right? Now, what's going on the daily time frame, right? The daily time frame, back on the 15th of June, price has been pushing higher highs and higher lows in a big bullish market, right? It wasn't until here where it stopped at a supply and demand area and then completely dropped, right? Since this drop, creating lower lows, it pulled back, created a lower high, sold off, created a higher low, and is now creating highs, right? You can see that price is creating new highs over here, marked off by these horizontal lines that I'm marking off. So you can see that price potentially, after touching this area, right, can make a big push, right? We had a huge engulf after it retested this level, and the last time we retested this level, we had a big 300 pip push up all the way up to 183.781. So what do I have going into the market? And it's basically the same exact thing, right? We have the same exact thing. We have price hitting this area of supply and demand, engulfing at this level, currently pulling back, and it's not just pulling back at any level, it's actually pulling back and hitting our favorite Fibonacci level, and that's 0.618. This is literally beautiful. Literally came down and wicked it, closed right back above this area support and resistance. And to top it all off, on the 4-hour time frame, we have a couple more technicals to go with our bias. So the final technicals that go with our bias, right, is a beautiful trend line that we came all the way down and retested. Remember, that same wick at that trend line is the 0.618 wick, and we retested the moving averages, and now the 50 has crossed over the 20. For me personally, guys, there's so many confluences with this trade, so many confluences that I do believe we're gonna go long, but there's just one but. I wish there were more buts, but I think there's just one but. And that but is this level right here, this key level right here that I'm gonna mark in orange. Currently, price says everything we have to go long, but we're playing under this level, and that's just a simple fact. We are trading under this level, and as long as we trade under it, I won't be trying to trade above it, right? I'm not entering any long positions until price plays, break back up to this upside, and then we're gonna take the longs all the way and hopefully swing up to 183.566, because that's where I had GBP JPY going in the long term. So that's my breakdown of GBP JPY. Again, anything can happen. Price can very much just hold here and sell off, which could happen, because again, as long as we're under this level, I'm not going to be going to go long, but I do have a lot to already go long. So I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, hit me up. If you guys know anybody who can make an intro, comment down their @name. Reach out to me if you guys are interested in the academy, and I hope you guys have a blessed week. I'm going to be dropping the video on Thursday, right? Today is Tuesday. I'm going to be dropping a video on Thursday, right? So I'll see you guys later, and deuces.